Find integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx. So we have to find value of this definite integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx. In order to find value of this integral, at first take I equal to integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x. Take that equation as number 1. Now, by using the properties of definite integral, we can rewrite the I as integral 0 to a f of x dx equal to integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is, instead of x, we are taking pi minus x here. According to the properties of definite integral, it is equal. That is, instead of x, pi minus x, here also pi minus x. Now, what is sin pi minus x? That is sin x. So, I equal to 0 to pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin x. Okay. So, this is the equation number 2. In the next step, we are adding equation 1 and 2. Then we will get 2i equal to integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx plus integral 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sin x dx. In the next step, we are separating the numerator of this term, that is pi minus x can be rewritten as pi by 1 plus sin x minus x by 1 plus sin x. Okay, integral 0 to pi. Now, this term and this term are equal, so we can make it 0. Then what will remain? Integral 0 to pi by 1 plus sin x dx. Next, we have to find value of this function now, which is equal to, that is, in order to find value of this function, we are multiplying numerator and denominator with 1 minus sin x. Okay, that is numerator by 1 minus sin x, denominator by 1 minus sin x. Now 1 minus sin x whole divided by 1 minus sin square x. What is that? 1 a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. What is 1 minus sin square x? That is cos square x. That is pi into integral 0 to pi 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x dx. Where is that pi? Sorry, where that pi comes from? That is, this pi is taken outside. Okay. Now, next step, we are dividing each of the numerator by cos square x. Then we will get 1 by cos square x, that is sec square x, sin x by cos x, which is tan x, 1 by cos x, that is sec x. That is, sin x by cos square x can be rewritten as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Okay, that is, sin x by cos x will give tan x, 1 by cos x will give sec x. That is pi into integral 0 to pi sec square x dx minus integral 0 to pi sec x tan x dx. Now, what is integral of 0 to pi sec square x? That is tan x. Here, sec x. Okay. Next, we have to apply the limit from 0 to pi. Then what is that? Tan pi minus tan 0 minus sec pi minus sec 0 into a pi. Okay. What is tan pi? That is sin pi minus by cos pi. Sin pi is 0, so tan pi is also 0. Tan 0 will also give 0. What about sec pi? Sec pi is 1 by cos pi. Cos pi is negative 1. So, negative 1 minus, what is sec 0? That is 1 by cos 0, which is 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Now, what is that? Minus of minus, minus 2. Minus 2 into minus, we will get plus 2 pi here. On cancelling 2 and 2, we will get the value of integral, that is I equal to pi. Okay, that is integral 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x dx equal to pi. This is the required result.